Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best interior design tips, renovation ideas, and home improvement solutions. If you're looking to elevate your living or workspace, today's video is a must-watch. We're diving into the world of luxury carpets, an essential element to transform any space into a cozy, elegant retreat. Dubai is known for its luxurious lifestyle and attention to detail in interior design. Everything here is about making a statement, and what better way to do that than with a luxury carpet that ties your whole room together. A beautiful carpet can transform any room from ordinary to extraordinary, creating an ambience that speaks of elegance, warmth, and style. And the best part? With Renovation X by your side, you don't have to worry about anything. From choosing the perfect carpet to flawless installation, Renovation X is your trusted partner for all things interior design. When you think about carpets, it's not just about aesthetics. Carpets play a huge role in creating a comfortable environment. They add warmth to a room, making it feel cozier and more inviting. Imagine stepping into your living room after a long day and sinking your feet into a soft, plush carpet. It's pure bliss. But beyond comfort, carpets also offer practical benefits like sound insulation, which is essential for homes and offices in a bustling city like Dubai. No more echoing rooms or noisy spaces. A good carpet absorbs sound, creating a peaceful and serene atmosphere. Now, picture this. You walk into a spacious living room with large windows overlooking the Dubai skyline. The room is beautifully furnished, but what truly catches your eye is the elegant carpet that ties everything together. Whether it's a classic Persian rug that exudes timeless beauty or a modern designer carpet with bold patterns, the right carpet can make all the difference. It adds character to the room, making it feel complete and well thought out. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of the satisfied customers who have transformed their spaces with Renovation X. From family villas in Palm Jumeirah to modern penthouses in downtown Dubai, Renovation X has helped countless clients achieve their interior design dreams. Customers rave about the quality of the carpets, the personalized service, and the flawless installation process. Hearing real-life stories of how these carpets have changed people's homes and offices is truly inspiring. Imagine walking into your living room and feeling the softness of a plush carpet underfoot, instantly making your space feel warm, inviting, and luxurious. In today's video, we'll explore why luxury carpets are the perfect addition to your home or office in Dubai. We'll also introduce you to Renovation X, your trusted partner for all things interior design and home improvement. From elegant Persian rugs to contemporary designer carpets, there's something for every style and need. So, if you're ready to transform your space with the finest carpets Dubai has to offer, keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. One of the biggest trends in Dubai right now is motorized carpets. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine having a carpet that you can control with a remote or even your smartphone. It's all about convenience and creating a smart, efficient living space that adapts to your needs. Renovation X offers a range of motorized carpets that can be customized to fit your requirements. It's the perfect blend of luxury and technology, giving you complete control over your interior design. Choosing the right carpet for your space can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With Renovation X, you get expert guidance every step of the way. Their team of professionals will help you choose the right carpet based on your style, needs, and budget. And once you've made your choice, they'll ensure that it's installed with precision and care, giving you a seamless, hassle-free experience. Let's start by talking about why carpets are such a vital element in interior design. Carpets are more than just floor coverings, they're an expression of style and comfort. Whether you prefer traditional or modern decor, the right carpet can enhance your interiors and bring the whole room together. Dubai is known for its luxury lifestyle and impeccable taste in design. That's why finding the perfect carpet for your home or office is essential to achieving that high-end look. The right carpet not only adds beauty but also provides practical benefits, such as sound insulation, warmth, and comfort. Carpets add a layer of comfort, making your home feel cozy and welcoming. In a city where marble and tiled floors are common, a soft carpet can make all the difference in creating a comfortable living space. Carpets are excellent at absorbing sound, making them ideal for apartments and offices. They reduce echo and create a quieter, more peaceful environment. The right carpet can completely transform the look of a room. From classic Persian rugs to modern geometric designs, there's a style to suit every taste. Carpets provide an extra layer of insulation, helping to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This can be especially beneficial in Dubai's extreme climate. Timeless and elegant, Persian carpets are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any room. Ideal for contemporary spaces, these carpets come in a variety of patterns and colors to match your decor. Known for their plush texture, shaggy rugs add a cozy, luxurious feel to living rooms and bedrooms. If you have a unique vision, custom carpets are a great option to bring your ideas to life. At Renovation X, we pride ourselves on offering high-quality, customizable carpet solutions to suit your needs. Here's what sets us apart. We source our carpets from top manufacturers to ensure durability and style. No two spaces are the same, which is why we offer a wide range of colors, patterns, and sizes to fit your unique requirements. Our team of experts ensures your carpet is installed perfectly for a flawless finish. From selection to installation, we're with you every step of the way to ensure a seamless experience. Selecting the right carpet can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tips to help you make the right choice. Think about the room where the carpet will be placed. A living room might benefit from a bold, patterned carpet, while a bedroom might call for something softer and more subtle. Some carpets require more upkeep than others. Choose a carpet that fits your lifestyle and maintenance preferences. Carpets come in a variety of materials, from wool to synthetic fibers. Each has its own benefits, so choose the one that suits your needs best. Make sure to measure your space accurately to ensure your carpet fits perfectly. We've helped countless clients in Dubai transform their spaces with luxury carpets. Here are some examples. A modern penthouse in downtown Dubai with sleek, custom-made carpets to match its minimalist aesthetic. A family villa in Palm Jumeirah where plush, shaggy rugs added warmth and comfort to the living spaces. An office in Dubai Marina that was transformed with contemporary, professional carpets to enhance productivity and style. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points from today's video. Luxury carpets are an essential element in creating a comfortable, stylish space. They offer practical benefits like sound insulation, energy efficiency, and added comfort. And with the wide range of styles available in Dubai, there's a perfect carpet for every taste and need. Remember, Renovation X is your go-to partner for high-quality carpets and professional installation services. We're here to help you every step of the way, from choosing the right carpet to ensuring it's installed flawlessly in your home or office. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of luxury carpets in Dubai. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interior design tips and renovation ideas. Let us know in the comments which carpet style caught your eye the most, and stay tuned for more exciting content from Renovation X. Until next time, remember that transforming your space is easier than you think with Renovation X by your side.